Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn a new method for solving equations. It's called Cramer's rule and it involves matrices. So let's review how to get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Yeah, we'll do this one first. So we label as before A, B, C, D. So your determinant, if you recall, is AD minus BC. So that is 4 times minus 7 minus 4 times minus 1. 4 times minus 7 minus 28. Minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4, which gives us minus 24 for the determinant. And now this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so the determinant is done a bit differently. So what we need to do is copy the first two columns of data in the matrix on the right side here. So 2, minus 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 2. So we do that first. Now what we do, I'll draw the lines in. These three pairs of, or triplets of numbers need to be multiplied. So the red ones, let's do that first. So this is kind of the equivalent of doing the AD part. So this is 204. Then you add the next one. Minus 1, 1, 1. Plus the next one. 3 minus 2, 2. Okay, so when you add these numbers up, you should get minus 13 for this bit. Okay, so that's the first bit. Now we'll change the color and go the other direction. So now we start from the top here and go this way. Looks a bit complicated, but you'll get used to it. So for the orange bit, we're going from the top down to the left side. So let's do that again. So that would give you minus 1, minus 2, 4, plus 2, 1, 2, plus 3, 0, 1. Okay, so going in that direction. And when we add those numbers up, we should get 12. Now your determinant is the red minus the orange. So that would be minus 13 minus 12, which is minus 25. So that's how you find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. I'll make a new video in a minute.